Okay guys, so as you can see here, if I click on to launch Premiere Pro, I'm getting this error that says the code execution cannot proceed because MFPlat.DLL was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. So and that is not just the MFPlat. You can see MFReadWrite, WMVCore.dll, MFPlat.dll, and a host of others. So the same thing goes to other softwares like this one. You can see Meld Studio, MFPlat.DLL not found. Same thing, MF.DLL, MF read the same thing. Okay, so how do you fix this? Let's get straight into the point. So what you want to do is click on this here and then click on settings. So, and the reason why this is happening, by the way, is because we installed Windows with the N. So, or sometimes it's KN version, meaning that the media files are missing by design. But then again, it makes Windows clean. It strip off all of the default apps that comes with Windows. So, for example, if I click here, as you can see, all of these are custom. Apart from this, all of these, everything you see here is custom installed app softwares. Okay, so it strip every pre-installed softwares that comes with Windows, which is, you would agree with me, that is very, very bloated. Okay, I don't want all of those. I don't use them, by the way, so why should I keep them? So I installed Windows with the N. Okay, so for example, you're installing Windows, you say Windows Pro, Windows, maybe Windows 11 Pro, with the letter N, all right, or Windows Home with the letter N, or Windows Workstation Pro with the N, and it strips that off. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to install the media pack, but the good thing about it is it's not going to install this pre-installed softwares. Rather, it's just going to install only the media feature pack. So what we are going to do is, okay, so and once you're here, what you want to do is, you see where it says add an optional feature. We want to click here, view features, and here we want to add an optional feature, and here we are going to type media, you see, media feature pack. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Now you can see the Windows media player, whatever here. So I'm going to click on that and then next. Yes, that is it. And then add. And it's going to go ahead and if your internet is fast, it shouldn't take too much time. Right. Okay, so the media feature pack has finished installing. So let's see if it's going to work now. Let's try to click on Premiere Pro. At this point, it is required and necessary that we restart our system. So I'm going to do that, and after which we'll try again. Okay, so I have restarted my system. Let's click, let's launch Premiere Pro and see if it's going to work. Okay, so as you can see, it has worked. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it has worked. Okay, so that is how you resolve the MF plat, whatever. So okay, as you can see, Meld Studio also has worked. Yeah, so guys, that's how you resolve the MFPlat, and all of those errors. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.